If you want to be able to pay with your Xiaomi 15T Pro, then first of all, what we're gonna do is find NFC, because of course, in order to use our phone to pay with it, we need to have NFC enabled whenever we want to make that payment. So if you open settings and go to more connectivity options, you should be able to find NFC option in here. Of course, we can tap on the switcher to turn it on or off. And also, if you go to quick settings, you can add the NFC button in here as well by tapping on edit at the bottom of quick settings. Then over here in system toggles, you should be able to find and add, of course, the NFC button in here. So once we have the NFC button set up, then the next thing is to add our credit or debit card. So we're gonna go to the app drawer and look for the wallet app. In this case, we use the Google Wallet app. Of course, if you don't have the app, you should be able to download it for free from the Play Store. We're gonna tap on View Wallet. Let's grant permissions to notifications, and we can press this plus button in the bottom right corner. After that, we have the payment card option. And after a couple of seconds, we should be able to open the rear camera, and we can scan the details of our payment card. If it doesn't work for you, or if you prefer to enter your details manually, then of course we can use this option at the bottom of the screen. So in this case, we need to fill the information about our payment card and then choose save and continue and follow the rest of the steps in order to set up our payment card. Of course, you can add multiple cards into the wallet, and you can choose which one should be used by default. But whenever you're trying to make the payment, usually you don't have to go to the wallet in order to actually use the card. You can just simply put your phone on the terminal, and you should be able to make the payment just like that. Of course, whenever you're trying to make the payment, remember to have NFC enabled, and also your phone should be unlocked. You should be, for example, on the home screen. It just has to be unlocked. It cannot be locked, essentially. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.